You are not going to find this information anywhere else, especially not for free. This specific niche technique has the potential to make your YouTube channel blow up in 2026. Take a look at this new trending channel called Nick Invests. The channel started just over a month ago, yet the number of views it is generating is insane. Its RPM is over $10, which means the channel is earning at least $10,000 per month. Now let me show you another similar channel called Fasted Fred. This channel focuses on healthy eating and lifestyle, which is a completely different niche. However, both of these channels have one key thing in common, and that is the reason for their success. The secret is their video style. In one channel, there is a character named Nick who explains the content. In the other, there is a character named Fred. This same method can be applied to any niche you choose, whether it's motivation, science, what-if content, or even sports. By now, you probably know what you're about to learn today.
Okay.
Your goal should be to own at least one monetized YouTube channel within 6 months, and I'm here to help you achieve that. In this video, you're going to learn how to create these types of videos for any niche using completely free tools. Let me show you an example video that I just created.
You know that feeling when you check your bank account, and instead of immediately closing the app in horror, you actually smile. Like when you stop calculating whether you can afford that coffee, or if buying groceries means eating ramen for the rest of the week.
I hope you now understand after watching this example video just how easy it is to create these types of videos. Make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important tips and hacks. I'm going to select the investing niche. Now, let's begin the editing process. If you want to learn how to create a YouTube channel, you can watch this video. I've covered the entire process in detail. Now, let's learn how to find trending topic ideas. Start by visiting your competitors' channels and identifying the videos that are performing well. Don't worry, we're not going to copy anyone. That's unethical and against YouTube's guidelines. Instead, what we'll do is take inspiration from those ideas. Simply copy a few successful video titles or concepts and paste them into ChatGPT. Then, ask it to generate 10 different video ideas based on those examples. From there, choose the ones that sound the most compelling. Now, I've selected this video idea, which is what your bank balance quietly says about your future choices. When it comes to script writing, you already know that generic AI scripts often sound unnatural and unengaging. That's why I created a proprietary script formula, which I've already pinned in the comments section. Once your script is ready, the next step is creating the voiceover. There are two options for creating a voiceover. The first option is TTS OpenAI. However, this tool has limitations. You can only generate up to 2,000 characters, and after that, you need to pay. Since we're a little broke right now, we'll use a free alternative called Speechma. It allows you to generate unlimited voiceovers with no sign-up required and no usage limits. Simply select a voice that sounds good, then paste your script here. Keep in mind, you can only generate up to 2,000 characters at a time. Complete the CAPTCHA and click the Generate button. Once the voiceover is ready, download the file. Now, let's begin the editing process. First, create a character that we'll use throughout the video. Go to Gemini and paste the prompt provided in the comments. Once the image is generated, download it. Next, create multiple images of the same character in different poses. We'll use these poses throughout the video. For editing, we're going to use CapCut. It's free and very easy to use. Start by adding your audio file, then add a plain white background which you can download from Google. After that, add scenes according to your script. For icons and visual elements, you can use Flaticon and FreePic. Add your character to the timeline and remove the background. Just click on Auto Remove. That's it. Next, add icons according to the script, insert the text, and apply this animation. I'm not sure what the exact name of the animation is, but it works well for this style. Now that everything is edited, take a look at the final result.
If your bank balance disappeared tomorrow, your entire life would change instantly. Not because of money, but because of the choices you'd suddenly lose. And it gets worse.
Now let's see how to create the thumbnail. It's a simple and straightforward process. Go to Canva, click on Custom Size, and select this dimension. Import an image that matches the video content, then add a relevant icon. That's it. Download the thumbnail and you're done. This is how you can create these types of videos without spending a single dollar. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll definitely respond.